Want to create a stunning Independence Day PowerPoint slide in just few minutes? Today, we will show you how to design a beautiful tricolored theme slide using just PowerPoint. So, without wasting much time, let's get started. Right-click on the slide and choose Format Background. Click on Gradient Fill. Use 4 gradient stops and set the colors to orange, white, and green, just like the Indian flag. Now, select radial as the type and adjust the direction to make it flow smoothly from the center. Insert two pictures from your device. You can add here shapes also. Select the first image, go to Align, then Align Top and Align Right. Select the second image and align it to the bottom left. These images can be symbolic. Insert the Ashoke Chakra image and another picture like a girl running with a Indian flag. Position them tastefully around the center and bottom right for a patriotic vibe. Insert a text box. Happy Independence Day, 15 August. Next, select rounded rectangle. Drag it like this. Change the shape fill color to orange. Set the outline color to green and increase the outline width. Then, send this shape to back. Set the text color to white for contrast. Now, click on slideshow and enjoy your patriotic, vibrant and festive PowerPoint slide. Perfect for presentations, events and classroom decor. If you like this video, subscribe for more creative PowerPoint tutorials. Comment below what should I create for Republic Day. Happy Independence Day. Jai Hind.